Jesus delight. Bring flower to my father, guys. We're going to the cemetery. It's the cemetery. Prepare myself. Ouch. It's too hot. I just done my activity in the morning. When I wake up, I'm so busy. I don't know why. I prepare my son and everything. Hi, hello to my one viewer watching. I'm still in my room. It's getting hot.